Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Chippa 0. I'm joined by China.
Chippo njaya.
Yeah.
Siphinde sasonke la esigodini. We are always together lana.
Yeah.
What a game. What a good game of football that was played by Orlando Pirates. Congratulations to Amapagania.
Yeah.
I want to say this to Amapagania, not because of the bicycle Amapagania, Pagania, no.
Yeah.
If ever this Pirates team doesn't win the league, then Pirates will never win the league again. This is the team that is supposed to win the league.
Yes.
Okugcina Schipo, asibonge nina with this platform. Ama-fans wethu TV are playing a significant role to the South African Premiership. Siyayibona i-role enidlalayo. Sometimes I go to certain provinces and then you are recognized in Njazam. Siyaziwa that much. But kunento Sipho engifuna enginotisile. Singa-check i-fixture angikhulumi kabi nge-Pirates. Pirates is still the only team that play 4 consecutive games. Escorting. They are taking advantage with first leg. We are noticing something here. Pirates always play escorting ama home game wabo. Kaningi elandelelana, unlike where Pirates izodlala lana and then have to move to Stellenbosch, Cape Town, come back to Mbombela. Pirates is always playing here. Escorting ama game wabo aba consecutive more than any other team. So somehow that advantage is giving Pirates ukuthi ikoleka ama points more. That's why I'm saying that if Pirates ngabe winning the part, whoever is doing the league is preparing the league. Ikhona into ekumele siyibhekile. Ikhona, we are always here. Why we are always here? Why we are always escorting? Siphila lana. Ikhona lena. Ama pictures wayo enzelwa lana. Why kungathiwa escorting, kuthiwe Cape Town, kuthiwe escorting, kuthiwe Durban, kuthiwe escorting, kuthiwe Mbombela. We are always escorting. You are used to the game. We don't hate Pirates, but then kunezinto esizinotisayo ku PSL. That one has to be. And then the last point there, about referee. We know that they are preparing for AFCON. We know that they are preparing for the World Cup. We know that some of the South African referees will be selected. About referee by ukufuna prove a point. Now about referee by emotion game. By emotion game. About referee says ukuthi bazoya AFCON. Bazoya kuloku njani, bazoya World Cup. Now mabanga funa prove a point. By emotion abo linesman yabo.
Ukhala ngayiphi decision?
Ngikhala ngama decision ebethathwa ngu referee today. The pitch was wet, but it was always running in favor of Orlando Pirates. But the game of football. I'm being a team.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?